to my channel. I'm Candace. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. On this video, we're going to be unboxing the IPSY Glambag Plus for June 2020. While I get into this box, go ahead and click on that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and click on that notification bell so you don't miss a future upload of mine. Okay, here we go. The theme for this month's box is making waves, perfect for summer. Let's get right into this. The first little thing I'm seeing here is from Yacht A, and all you guys probably already know how much I love Yacht A London products. They are so good and so nice. Okay, so I pulled out a little pod. Let me read it. Hold them up, hold them up. Marbled Metals Metallic Glitter Eyeshadow. Ooh, it's actually really creamy. Ooh. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and this is it swatched. Ooh-wee, that is gorgeous. So pretty, so pretty. You could actually probably use it as a highlighter if you went easy. Ooh, Yacht A. This is a good start to my box. I love it. The next item I have here is by Nacific, and this is Fresh Herb Origen Eye Cream. So this is an eye cream. It's very well packaged. Everything was very well sealed. It smells a little bit like lemon. Very refreshing. All right, next thing I see here is this box. It is Probiotic Skincare by Tula. It says healthy looks good on you. That's cute. I like that. Cool. So this is a Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel in 30 SPF. So they're really focusing on the skincare, I see, with my last couple items. Doesn't really have much of a scent. Ooh, and it fights against pollution and blue light while giving the perfect dewy glow. House Laboratories. This is Lady Gaga's brand, I believe. Ooh, look at how cool. Can you guys see how cool that is? Cute packaging. Oh my. Oh, and the wand is like clear. This is cute. This is the perfect color for me, but it does feel a little sticky. Feels a little bit sticky, but I love the color so much that I will just forget about the stickiness of it. The next item in here was my choice item. This is by Laura Geller, and this is the Urban Garden Face, Eye, and Cheek Palette. I'm excited to see this in person. I love the packaging. It's really cute with all the flowers. You get like a shimmery bronzer, like a light bronzer, a matte peachy corally type blush, and then 4 pans of eyeshadow with 3 being matte and 1 being shimmer. So this is a really, really pretty. You do get a mirror, a small mirror, but this is a really cute on-the-go palette. It's nice and slim, and you can just put it right in your purse and you would have all of your essentials. So beautiful! And last but not least, this bag is like pretty hideous. I do not like it. I don't want to be rude, but I just like, this is not me. No. Yellow on the inside, little tassels here, and yeah, I will not be using this bag. So this bag is not for me. I do not like it. So here's the bag. That's about enough of that. Other than the bag, I mean, this box is pretty decent. I've been blown away in previous boxes with the IPSY. This one is just pretty good. I wouldn't say it was my favorite box, but I mean, I really do like this. I think this saved it for me. I really like this little palette. It's very versatile and cute. And the lip color is my color. The stickiness is going down a little bit. It's not quite as tacky, but it's still like there. But I love the color of it. It's so pretty. I like this month's box, but I don't love it. And I definitely don't like the bag that came in it. But I still most definitely got my $25 worth. That's how much this subscription costs per month. I definitely feel like I got my money's worth, so I'm very grateful and thankful for that. But yeah, that's all I have in my box this month. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I had a blast, and I hope you did too. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me if you guys would go ahead and do that for me. And until we meet again, you guys, ciao Bella!